Smell like muscles to open this. Hello everyone, namaste. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So I recently placed an order with mCaffeine because I was getting a very amazing deal with them, and I'm so excited because it is going to be delivered today. I'm going to write down all the MRPs of all the products, and in the end of this video I'm going to reveal in how much amount I got it in the deal. Wait guys, I'm not selfish. I'm going to share the referral code for this deal with you guys, and it's not fake. It works 100%. You can use it 100 times or n numbers of times. So stay tuned.
You see, this is why I don't move on.
Here it is. Let's unbox it. Here are the products. Let's open it. So first we have mCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Scrub. This is for body. It has coffee and coconut oil because we just don't have pores on our face. We have pores all over our body. So we need to scrub our body to get rid of that dead skin cells. It comes with a very nice glass bottle, and it also has this spoon to remove the scrub, which is very cute, and it is packed right. Let's open it. It's like very strong coffee. It's like very powder kind of texture. Next up we have mCaffeine Naked and Rich Cocoa Body Butter. This has cocoa butter with caramel. It gives you 72 hours of moisturization. That's crazy. It has the same bottle, so basically you have to use this along with the scrub. It gives the best and smoothest skin after you use it. Here it is. I feel like eating it because it smells so good. It is just like butter. We have mCaffeine's Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Bath Bar. It has coffee and pure coffee oil. Soap bars are not at all old-fashioned. People still use soap bars, and this is one of the best in the market right now. This is very cute. You really need muscles to open this box. Yeah. It has a bit different smell. So it looks like this. I don't know what it smells like, but very different than coffee. This does not at all taste smell like coffee. Why I'm saying taste? Because I love the smell. Okay. And the last product, it's mCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Polish Oil. It has coffee with vitamin E. So the scrub and the butter and this oil. It's amazing. I love oils for like body. I don't like oil for face, but I love body oils because I think my skin is a bit dry. So I just love. I haven't just used the soap, but I'll try using it now. Here it is. I love this bottle, and I love the pump actually. It was like oil. It gives you very good shine. See? It feels like roasted nuts, and it has coffee in here, in the bottle here, if you guys can see. This is what the mCaffeine unboxing looks like. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys liked it. Now we are going to reveal the MRP in which I got the parcel and the real MRP of these products. So the real MRP of these products is around 1800 rupees, and I got it in 284 rupees. And I do have link for you guys in the description. You will at least get 50% off on these products. So do go and shop it, and do share your reviews with me. Bye bye.